Hello listener, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are okay, fit and fine. I'm also fine. So today I am here. This is Mabu Rahman in front of you. Today I am here to describe some of topic that was a traffic jam. We know traffic jam is the most problem in our country. Not in our country, it's Dhaka city. Every people stay in Dhaka. There no traffic jam. How is affect human life? Because when you go, Dhaka city is only 25 kilometer city, but when you go 25 kilometer, that means you have to need minimum 10 or 12 hours. Can you imagine 10 or 12 hours you going to Bangladesh to America? But only 25 kilometers you go, you need to minimum 10 or 12 hours. So I think this time nowadays, traffic jam is the most big issue in our country. I am here and in front of Mirpur 10 to Mirpur 1 highway road, and I see this. Here is lots of car, lots of bus, lots of rickshaw is here because here is lots of jam. So I think Bangladesh government have to work this situation. Somehow any place, somehow any kind of family, this family has a sick person, their minor injury. Suppose for example, some of people they are getting a heart attack. So they need to go fastly in hospital. And when he not go to hospital, he's died. So that time they are going to hospital and lots of traffic jam. They are going this every day. Dhaka city have lots of people died this situation. So I think Bangladesh government have do this work and improve this traffic jam. At least they are not capable to improve this traffic jam. They are need to emergency lane, because you know emergency every country has every upcoming country has a emergency lane. Emergency lane is most of popular in other country, because when other countries every country has jam, but which country little bit, which country is big problem. Just I want to say this country is little bit traffic jam, and when this country is little bit traffic jam, but there have a lots of emergency lane. When someone need to going hospital, so they are going to emergency lane. And you know Dhaka city is the most population problem in our Dhaka city, and Dhaka city have lots of people, almost 6-7 crore people live here, and somewhere get the fire. Best time go fire service, but traffic jam, lots of traffic jam, and don't going to fire service. And we know a couple of years ago, the tragedy is Puran Dhaka. There was lots of fire, and only for one cylinder blast. but traffic jam and most of the population. That's why fire service didn't go there, and there is lots of people died. Almost 100 and 200 people died, and that's why I think about that. Traffic problem is the most big problem now at time in our country, and I think Bangladesh government work it certainly and work it immediately. And we need to this traffic jam problem solution, because we are lived in Bangladesh. I lived in Bangladesh, and I love Bangladesh, and I lived in now Dhaka. My family lived in now Dhaka. By any chance, this situation in front of me. So what that time what should I do? So I think every people think about that and going for their parliament member and going for their minister and any kind of place. If you need going to prime minister and talk about this problem and solve this. Thank you.